Hey guys, I'm Michael from Pinray. Now I'd like to introduce a touch for you. It's touch. This is the box. Gift box. Okay, let's open it. So in the touch box, we got menu. It's a touch menu, small menu. Okay, and this one is touch battery. I just open it. 5 times open, close, and it's 5 times off. So here we open it 5 times. Again, this one is FCE4. FCE4 atomizer. This is a cap, keep the atomizer clean. And this is drip tips 510. Bottom coil, like this one. Bottom coil. Okay, that's in the in. So when we mix the bottom coil atomizer FCE4 with our touch battery, it will look like this, and with a cap. Okay, so this is the whole kit. Okay, and let's open it. You'll find USB charger and the wall adapter, European. Of course, we can do USA and some others. Okay, so here now is a whole kit, and of course, if you want some coil, actual coil for the FCE4, the coil is same as 8 volt. We can do that in practice, no problem. Okay, so whole, that's all the touch kit include. Okay, now I'd like to show you how touch will work. Here, I got one prepared one. Okay, this one. Here is the touch. This one I have filled the liquid. You see, have the liquid. Okay, I open the cap, and then we go to touch. It's very easy to start. Just touch it, and whip. Okay, that's not bad. It's method. See, you just touch it and vapor. Touch it and vapor. 5 times to off to get it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 press. Okay, it's off. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then we open it, and it has a 10-second protection. If you vapor more than 10 seconds, it will be shut down. Okay, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it shut off. Okay, so here total is a touch. Thank you. This is Michael from Pinray. Thank you.